Yo, what's up? Live for the new collections. But don't worry about that. I came home to an insanely huge package and I had to show you guys like right away. So let's check it out. I wasn't lying. Look at the size of this bad boy. Look at the size of it. Ah, you can see right there. And boom, New Balance. New Balance, baby, baby. And right here, that's upside down. Right here, as you can see, it says London Marathon. What you know about the New Balance times London Marathon pack? That's right. Everybody's out here trying to scrabble for collabs. You don't even know about the London Marathon pack. You don't even know about it. This was sent to me because I'm running the London Marathon, and the lovely people at New Balance have very kindly sorted me out with all my kit. Now, they sent me a package a while back, which had all my gear in it, but that came in dribs and drabs. I didn't really do a video about it. But then they sent me the fresh foams, which aren't necessarily for running, they're more for gym, but they hooked a brother up as well, which was really dope. But then this came through the other day because I've already run the half marathon, which man like Larry obviously finished. Stay right there. Yeah, this is what the half marathon medal looks like. Boom, says it right there, the big half. Man finished it. Don't mess with me. I finished it in 2 hours 25, I believe. I'd done it quick in training, but it was a whole combination of other things. I hadn't had enough sleep, blah, 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 blah. I'm not trying to make excuses, but I ran it slower than I normally do. Normally I run it in about 140 to 2 hours. So, you know, it happens, but medal winner. I mean, to be fair, everyone who finished got one. But, you know, it's good times. 4th of March I did that. But that run was all in preparation for the big proper run, which is the London Marathon, which is 26 and a bit miles. So it's going well. I just need to get myself to about 22 and I'll be really happy. But either way, I digress. What's in the box? So I opened it up and I was like, yo, this is crazy. So first of all, boom, they hit me with the London Marathon fresh foam 1080s, an update from my current runners, which is our fresh foams 1080s as well, but this one's got, you know, it's got a little bit of speckling going on, and look at that sole. Yo, that's pretty sick. I like the laces as well. The laces is extra dope. So that's the first thing I saw, and I was like, yo, levels, thank you very much. This is sick. And then when I went deeper, yo, it got crazy. So first things, boom, got the shorts. And by the way, everything here has London Marathon on it. Boom, everything has it. London Marathon, got the NB logo right there. So shorts for the day, which is dopeness. Bam, man's got a running top, London Marathon right there. But yeah, like, got this dope running top. It's dope. Like, I'm looking forward to running in this bad boy. Intensive cooling fabric. Oh, yo, hold on, what? Sweat activated cooling. Yo, I don't even know what that is, but I'm excited to rock this. Then they gave me this bad boy. Boom, man's got a little jacket vibes, yeah, but check this out. Bam, right on the back. Boom, London Marathon, real big. Then you got it on the lapel there. You got your NB there. Yo, this is too sick, yeah? So I'm like, yo, this is levels. Boom, they hit me with the running socks. Run London. Man's got their running sock vibes on the go. These are mad nice. Yeah, definitely running in these bad boys on the day. Woo! Yeah, so I got all of that and I was like, yo, sick out. Bam, more jacket vibes, yeah, but this is more for running. You got your heat stuff on the go. this one releases moisture away from the body. Yo, I don't even know what this is. Yo, levels, I don't even know what. Yo, this is just crazy good though. I'm excited to rock this. It's mad stretchy, got mad vibes on the go. Oh, mad vibes on the go. This is cool. Yo, man's got pockets on this and everything. This is sick. So I got all of that and I was like, yo, cool. But then I noticed like the box was just a little bit deeper. It looked like there was something else in there. Boom, man hit me with the rucksack. Yeah. So I now have a backpack as well to throw all my goodies in. So like, it's just, I wasn't expecting it. It's just a box full of coolness and goodness. So like, I'm really psyched for the day. I'm excited. I'm a little bit scared as well, but hopefully, you know, on the day I smash it. There you have it. So like, this is less of an unboxing of sneakers, but you know, man got sneakers in here anyway. But you know, I just wanted to show you guys what got delivered, because like I said, I wasn't expecting this. I had all my running gear already that they gifted me, so this is just an extra level. I'm gonna come back and give you guys an update once I finish the marathon and let you know my time and all that stuff, and I'll tell you how I felt all about it and all that sort of stuff. But before all of that, head to the new collections. I'll put it at the end. I wrote a piece on preparation before and also a piece on the half marathon and my thoughts after running it and all that stuff, so go check it out. As always, follow me on Instagram. It's Llomotes, sneakerhead with style, and apparently mad running these days. Follow the new collections on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, T_N_collections. All links below. If you're returning, big ups to you. Thanks so much for doing this with me. It's always a fun time when we do this together. If you stumbled across this and you're like, yo, I like this guy, and you also just want to like cheer me on and see what I'm up to, then don't forget to hit that subscrizzy at the end. Extra vid, website, subscrizzy. Hit it. And until next time, keep it sexy.